Hello people, Rick M here. Today I'm going to show how to plug a tire at home. You will need, start with not the iPhone case and not the case for the Omni, whatever it's called. You need soapy water, a pair of side cutters, and the most important part of this would be the plug kit. Now on this, the nail is right there. So I'm gonna pull that out and go from there. Okay, there's air in the tire still, so it might hiss out a little bit. I don't know if I can get it with these. Okay, we got it on the move. That's good. Okay, it's starting to hiss. Alright, we'll tap it back in. That way we can get the plug ready. Okay. Sorry, using the front camera. This kit consists of, of course, your plugs, a plug holder tool. I'll leave links to all this in the description. A razor blade, which I use, and the awl, or the reamer. This is what you shove in the tire. Crank it in there and do a little twist as you're doing that. So what I like to do is to preload the ramming tool before I get the nail out, so I'm ready to go. I got this kit on Amazon, in case you're wondering. Like I said, I'll leave links in the description. Just thread this through like a little needle rather. And you just pull it on through, get it halfway through, like so. You're ready. Okay, we get your side cutters back out. Get your reamer ready. That way you can hurry up and shove it in the hole. Get the noise down. You can't let the air out just because, but I like to leave the air in. Not even that bad. Yeah, sometimes you gotta put some oomph in it. I'm gonna get a valve core remover and let the air out. Alright, this is the valve core remover tool. I bought this on Amazon also. Unscrew it. Don't lose this. That's your little valve core gut. I don't know if I can get a good enough picture of it. Yeah, don't lose that. That's what holds the air in your tire. Put it somewhere safe. Alright, now it's out. I'm going to cheat a little bit. Brought a drill. Get one that's roughly the same size as your reamer tool. This looks almost identical. Now that you're through, Almost down, right about there. Give it a twist, and there you go. Now, prove it's good. I'll cut the edges off. Sorry. Cut this off. And these already have something on them for stickiness, so takes care of that. Push it down some more. Throw that away. And you're done. The old soapy water. See any bubbles? See no bubbles. I think we're good. Man, but once I've done a push plug. So that's how you do a push plug. They're not horrible, but like I said, I'm used to fixing from the inside. This will work. This will probably last the rest of the tire's life. I mean, you can, if you want, get a new tire. That's up to you. But I really don't see a point in it. Where are you? I think you're right there somewhere. So I'll leave it up the other side. I'll hold the side if I want to get a new tire or not. Personally, I'd run it till it's done. I mean, tread wise, it's probably 4 or 5, so it's about half its life gone already. That's that though. The only thing that could be a factor with it, really close. Super close, you can see some cracks. I mean, the tire is old, it's older. Has a DLT of 4418. No, yeah, 4418. So it's 3 years old. That's about the lifespan of a tire. 3 or 4 years for a cheaper tire. The better the tire, the better the life. So, well, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Side note, this is all that comes in that plug kit. Comes with 2 things of patches. Or plugs, the razor blade, the awl thing, and the Allen wrench to change. I guess they anticipate you bending this thing, but it's gonna take some effort. They have them at Walmart, but I'm not. It was all plastic stuff. That's why I got this specifically, because it's metal. I mean, I'm a big guy, and it takes some effort to. It takes a little bit of doing to bend that. That's solid steel. Chinese steel, but it's still steel. And what I was using to hold my phone as I shot this video, and if you're wondering, the phone is an iPhone 13 Pro Max that just came out a couple Fridays ago. I'm using a DJI OMI 3. Osmo 3, I think it is. This is the one that, the new one just came out. It was a 4 or a 5. I don't know. I'll link this in the description too, in case you want to get one. Rubber band, there's nothing wrong with it. Sometimes I do the YouTube videos and I use an external microphone, and I use it on this to hold the microphone receiver that's plugged into the phone. So, alrighty, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.